Hello, friends, welcome back to my channel. As Afghanistan races back to an era of bloodshed and oppression, question mounts up on the international community of their sheer ignorance towards the tragedy that's unfolding in the continent of Asia. The 20 years of the path of governance and development has apparently crumbled down like a pack of cards. Within few days, the schools, which rejuvenated with the voices of innocent young minds, has succumbed to the deadly noises of fear and terror. Various governments, NGOs, and other institutions who worked round the clock for the upliftment of the standard of living of Afghanis have apparently got washed off under the sounds of guns and bullets. In this video, we will talk about the biggest infrastructural projects which were established with the help of Indian government in the past 20 years in a bid to improve the lives of ordinary people of Afghanistan. Before we move ahead, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon positively. Afghanistan is a landlocked country at the crossroads of Central and South Asia. It is bordered by Pakistan to the east and south, Iran to the west, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan to the north, and Tajikistan and China to the northeast. The modern state of Afghanistan began with the Hotak and Durrani dynasties in the 18th century. In the late 19th century, Afghanistan became a buffer state in the great game between British India and the Russian Empire. By 1996, most of Afghanistan was captured by the Islamic fundamentalist group, the Taliban, who ruled most of the country as a totalitarian regime for over 5 years. The Taliban were removed from power after the US invasion in 2001 but still controlled a significant portion of the country. The 20-year-long war between the government and the Taliban reached a climax with the 2021 Taliban offensive and the resulting fall of Kabul, which returned the Taliban to power. Hence, the future remains murky as no superpower has any interest to make inroads into a nation which can never fall on the lines of stability. With this being said, we have certainly got an idea about the turmoiled region of Afghanistan. Now let us look at the top 5 biggest mega projects which India established in their strategic bid to win the hearts of Afghani citizens for the past 20 years. To make the video more interesting, let us move in the descending order depending on the nature of mega project. The fifth position is grabbed by the iconic Zarang-Dilaram highways. The 218 km Zarang-Dilaram highway was built by the Border Roads Organization. Zarang is located close to Afghanistan's border with Iran. The $150 million highway goes along the Khash Road River to Dilaram to the northeast of Zarang, where it connects to a ring road that links Kandahar in the south, Ghazni and Kabul in the east, Mazar-e-Sharif in the north, and Herat in the west. With Pakistan denying India overland access for trade with Afghanistan, the highway is of strategic importance to India, as it provides an alternative route into landlocked Afghanistan through Iran's Chabahar port. India had transported 75,000 tons of wheat through Chabahar to Afghanistan during the pandemic. The mega project which takes the fourth position is none other than Salma Dam. Also noted as the Afghan-India Friendship Dam, the hydropower and irrigation project was completed against all odds and was inaugurated in 2016. The Taliban during the past few weeks have launched several attacks in nearby areas, killing security personnel. The Taliban have claimed the area around the dam under their control now. This dam helped the local Afghani population as it provided with water and led to holistic development of the region. Sitting on the third position is the Store Palace. The former president of Afghanistan, Ashraf Ghani, along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, had inaugurated the revamped Store Palace in Kabul in 2016. The monument was originally built in the late 19th century. The building had been used for official purposes of the Afghan Foreign Minister and the ministry until 1965. In 2009, India, Afghanistan and the Aga Khan Development Network signed a tripartite agreement for its restoration. The Aga Khan Trust for Culture completed the project between 2013 and 2016. The mega project that sits firmly on the second position is the Shatut Dam. India at the 2020 Geneva conference had declared that they had set an agreement with Afghanistan for the construction of the Shatut Dam in the Kabul district. The dam was supposed to provide safe drinking water to 2 million residents. The cost of this project is estimated to be about $236 million. The feasibility study of the project had costed $1.86 million, which was completed in 2012. The return per year would be about $2 million per year. The dam was to be constructed by engineers from India. The project would have impacted the lives of common citizens as it was supposed to supply irrigation water for about 10,000 hectares of existing agricultural land, supplying drinking water for around 2 million people in Kabul city, recharge of groundwater for drinking purposes in Kabul groundwater aquifer, contribution to the national food security, and also increase in the job opportunities and income of local Afghanis. Moving to the mega project which comfortably backs the first position is the prestigious Afghanistan's democratic parliament. The Afghan parliament in Kabul was built by India with an estimated cost of $90 million. It became operational in 2015. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had inaugurated the building. PM Modi had described the building as India's tribute to democracy in Afghanistan. Eminently, a block in the building had been named after former PM Vajpayee. The parliament, which marked the essence of the will of the people, was captured by the Taliban terrorists recently. With this, we come to the end of the video. Questions continue to loom around the possibility of destruction of India's goodwill projects as India is yet to recognize the Islamic Emirates of Afghanistan, bidding adieu with a hope that the candle of humanity continues to burn till eternity, and prayers for the people of Afghanistan. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel to remain updated about various infra projects and technological advancements happening in India. Thank you for watching this video.